Uploading images from your gallery is not an easy task on Android. This tutorial will illuminate the argument under several aspects. On our web server, we create a new, empty script, for example, upload-image.php. Instead, you may also use our online script. We open the file in our preferred editor and add the following code. The settings allow to define parameters used in the script. In Android Studio, we create a new project. In the application Gradle, we add Picasso, which is an external library for viewing images. Let's use this specific version, which runs with API 28. In the app window, we add an image view and two buttons. Upon window creation, we add two event handlers. The first button will allow us to choose an image from the gallery. The second button will allow us to upload the image. We now will create the respective functions. This piece of code selects an image from the gallery. Then, we override the activity result event with our code. In order to make this feature work properly, we ask permission to access the gallery, and add later the storage read permission to the manifest. we add this function, which retrieves the physical file name of the image. It is pretty complex, because the possible file locations are many, and there are no real standards for storing files. We read then the raw contents of the image and save them in memory. It could also be moved to the upload button, but if in the meantime the image is deleted, the function will return an error. The upload function calls an asynchronous task, which natively leaks a bit of memory. It is, however, of temporary nature, and we can safely ignore it. In this function, the upload happens. We set the parameters accordingly. There are many ways to pass parameters, some of which work, others not. The boundary is ideally a random string. It is used to separate blocks of information. In order to make this feature work properly, we add the Internet permission to the manifest. This permission does not require user interaction. Let's try what we get so far. The app asks us permission to access the gallery. Some phone will grant the gallery application always to access, others not. We asked permission in any case and leave the decision to the operating system. We attempt to upload the file. It fails, because the key parameter can't be read. For this kind of conversation, we need to create a post block for the key parameter. Now, the upload succeeded. We select the upload URL and paste it in our browser. Together with the file name, we view the uploaded image. We try another image. Now, we see some of the advanced features. The application may lose the image when the phone is moved around. To avoid data loss, we can block the view, or let the system save the data while switching view. Let's see how this works. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.